Hi guys, today we will learn about different symbols and notation that are frequently used in mathematics. So first one is that symbol. We read it as not equal. We read it as belongs to. We read it as logical and. We read it as logical or. We read it union. We read it intersection. We read it less than or equal to. We read it as greater than or equal to. We read it as subset. We read it as empty set. It's okay. No, we read it as therefore. We read it as since. We read it as approximately. We read it as implies that. We read it as if and only if. We read it as absolute value. We read it as square root. We read it as for all. We read it as parallel. We read it as perpendicular. Dear students, if you like my content and such informative video, then you should like, subscribe and like my channel. It's okay. We will meet in next video.